More than 2 million aspirants give the NEET exam every single year, and you have decided that you will be one of them as well. So either you are going to give NEET 2027, NEET 28, or whatever, right? We have a certain way that will help us to prepare the NEET in the most effective fashion. Understand that, my dear kids. If you look at the previous year data, right, more than 2 million candidates are applying consistently for the for the NEET exam, right? But if you look at that, only half of the aspirants are qualifying the NEET. So for qualifying the NEET, you need around 150 marks out of the total marks. So you see that for qualifying the NEET, you don't need that many marks, right? So clearly you can say 140, 150 marks can be scored by anyone who is just average in their board exams, right? So you see that out of 2 million aspirants, half of the aspirants are not even trying to prepare, right? So you see that in this list of around 1 million aspirants, we can say that somebody is somebody is getting around 170 marks, 180 marks, 140 marks, 150 marks. They have qualified it, but they are not offering any reasonable competition. So the reasonable competition is coming from people who are scoring around 400 or so, and 400, 450 like that. And there are only 2-3 lakh such aspirants, right? So you see that these 2-3 lakh aspirants have found out that there are paths, right? And if I follow that path, I can fast track my preparation, because some kids think that they can study everything on their own on the name of self-study, and by doing so, they keep on preparing for the NEET exam for years, right? I'll suggest you to save your years and invest those years in your, MBBS and for the further studies, right? At that place, you will be needing those extra years instead of taking the drop years again and again right now, right? But instead, if you just find out the correct strategy, correct mentorship, you can definitely go ahead and reduce the number of years you have to invest in the NEET preparation journey. My dear kids, Vishwas Diwas has bought those opportunities for you, right, where you can enter into the set of fast track environments where you can just speed up the way you're going to prepare, right, in a very cost effective manner. So here it is, a maximum discounts are available at this specific time, right, for all the courses. So what are the courses in the NEET domain? So you have Arjuna, Lakshya, and Yakeen NEET. And all of these courses are in pure English, by the way, right? So Arjuna NEET is there for the grade 11th kids, Lakshya NEET is there for the grade 12th kids, and Yakeen NEET is there for the dropper kids, right? So we have all three courses coming up for you, right? My dear kids, what is the purpose? You see that depending upon which grade you are, you can get enrolled in it. How are you going to enroll in it? I'll just show you the links and all, right? But the thing is, the benefit of doing so is, among all the available aspirants, right, those who are trying to do 100 different things and prepare for the same exam, you can remove all the distractions and be focused on one single path. We are going to share our expertise, our experience of around 10 years or so with you, and that will enable you to save a lot of time, right? So as I said, save your years right now and invest those years in your further studies that you're going to perform, right? So yeah, and these are the nominal prices for these batches. If you go for the studying purpose only, so it is just 4899, and there are some additional advantages if you want to avail those additional advantages. What are the advantages? I will tell you that as well. So that can be availed in the infinity plan of the same courses. Like the teachers are going to be same in these batches, but in the infinity plan there will be some additional things. So you will get the infinity plan of the same batch at these prices, right? So around 6,999, my dear kids. So you see that how can you avail these things? So let me just quickly tell you that as well, right? So here in the description box of the same video, you will get links for all three courses, right? So there are three courses for 11th, 12th and dropper. So depending upon which course you want to get enrolled into, you will find a link over here, right? So just go in the description box and you'll find the link, right? So you will directly go on the course page, right? So on the course page, you have both the options, right? You see that one of these options is selected, right? So this is the batch and this is the infinity plan of the same batch, right? So you see that this part is common in both of them, but here in this infinity plan, you have few more things, right? So you have the doubt support here and the doubt support here. You have PDF and written notes, PDF and written notes. All things are there, right? If you just want this much, so this is also good enough. But if you want few extra things like infinite practice, because it is infinite plan, like NCRT books, because for NEET exam NCRT books are very, very important. So all of that you need. So and then you have mentorship session. Many times we get demotivated and all, and we want somebody to mentor us. That is also there. And test series is also included in the infinity plan, which is the biggest advantage, right? And upcoming versions keep on coming up for the same batches and all. So access to that will be provided as well. My dear kids, select anyone, right, whatever compels attracts you, and then you will go ahead and move with this particular course, right? So yeah, so you see that, so here is a link. If you just click it, right, so here you have to enter the number and log in into this part, and then there will be a payment page. So you can just make the payment and get enrolled in that particular batch. And sooner, very soon, we are going to start the classes in those batches. So you will have an additional advantage that you can proceed at the beginning of those batches itself and prepare in the best possible manner. I hope it is making some sense with you, right? So yeah, so this is it, right? So I will suggest you to go ahead and start preparing for your NEET exam in the full-fledged way, right? The process to enroll I have already told you, right? So that's it for now. Okay, on that note, all the best for your upcoming NEET exams, right? And all the best for all your future endeavors, right? I'll see you there in upcoming classes.